Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Srishti Goyal and my team members Vedika Gadak, Aditya Gajgate, Pawan Gadge, Prashant Gorde and Aneri Lokhane were under the guidance of Professor Poonam Savle ma'am. We have created a unit and currency converter using Python which can be used for various educational as well as worldwide exchange purposes. And I'm here to present about the unit converter while my teammate Vedika is going to present about the currency converter. So about the unit converter, a unit converter has more than 200 lines of code, more than 100 unit conversions and about 7 plus categories including temperature, pressure, speed, area, volume, weight, length and power. So it's very easy to use as you just have to insert which unit you would like to convert from and which unit you would like to convert to. Then insert the values and your value will be converted to the unit you want to. So why look for a calculator and adjust the settings where you can just directly insert the units and the values and our unit converter will easily convert it for you.
I am Vedika Gadak. I am here to present the currency converter. This converter allows for quick conversion of one currency into another. As we have code, firstly, the lines of code will create connection with the database. In the database, we have stored the currency details. Then secondly, we will have to enter the currency name which we would like to convert to. Then, as we have written a logic which will convert the currency into expected format, and then you'll get result as converted currency. So, I will conclude our unit and currency converter can easily convert a unit or currency to another, and it's very essential nowadays for educational and exchange purpose. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.